Hello, hello. Thank you for watching the replay. I appreciate you joining me today to see what it is that I'm going to show you. I just tried it a minute ago and had some technical difficulties, so we're going to do it again. Hopefully this time you can hear me and see me. And if you would just give me a comment, let me know that that's true. Thank you, Emily. Okay, good. So it looks like we're on again. And little technical difficulties. Hey, if it happens to me, it can happen to anyone. And don't feel bad. People always tell me that they're delighted to see that I have computer problems because they expect that the computer guy doesn't have any computer problems, and that couldn't be further from the truth. If anything, I have more computer problems than the average person. I just know how to fight back or keep going or not give up or something. So let that be your lesson for today. Keep going. Don't let technology get in your way. Maybe you need a guide like myself to help you get through it. So what am I here to share with you today? I don't do a Facebook Live very often, but I wanted to share something super cool that showed up in the mail totally out of nowhere. So we're going to be taking a look inside this box right here. It's big. It's a really big box. And I'm going to share with you what's inside here. First of all, I just want to say it was my birthday yesterday. And thank you so much for all the birthday wishes that you sent and the notes and the gifts and the videos and everything like that. I really appreciate all the well wishes. And happy birthday notices. So thank you so much. And thank you for joining me on the live feed here. Please let me know if, jump in with any comments. Let me know if everything's happening okay this time, if you can hear me and see me okay. And let's just jump right in. So I got this really cool, this huge box in the mail, and I was not expecting it, and it's not something I ordered. So when I went to pick up my mail and I saw this huge package sitting there, I was like, what in the world is this? And I looked at the from address and I didn't recognize what that was. So of course I had to open it up right in the middle of the shop and see what it was. And I was surprised, I was shocked, and Emily said, why don't you do a Facebook Live and show people what they sent you? And I thought, that's a brilliant idea, honey. Thank you for prompting me to do that. So let's take a look. This is really cool. So the first thing is, let's open it up. When you first open it up, you can't see exactly what it is. It just looks like some cardboard, and you can kind of see, I'm trying to line up the camera here so you can see it better. There's something in there. You can kind of see something strapped to some cardboard. So what in the world, right? And it's kind of heavy. What an amazing marketing campaign this is, because for them to create this and ship this, I can't even imagine how expensive it was, but it absolutely got my attention, and that's the whole point. So inside of here, there's a green envelope. It says Gilbert Studios on it, and I love the color green, as you know, that I use in my own branding. And inside of here, there's some papers, and there is a dry erase pen. Maybe a clue there. So there's a letter, and this letter is from SharpSpring. And it says, "Hi CJ, I hope this letter finds you and your team well. You're probably wondering why you're receiving this piece of art with your logo on it." Yes, I was wondering that, actually. Let me explain. I am the founder of SharpSpring, a marketing automation company designed specifically for digital marketing agencies like Gilbert Studios. So what they've done is they've found me. They know that I'm a digital marketing agency. I didn't know that's what I was, but apparently that's what I am. I am a digital marketing agency, and that's 100% correct. We build websites. We help people with their online marketing, their websites, and many, many other services attached to that, websites and marketing. So it says, "We're taking unusually large steps to get your attention in hopes you'll give us a few minutes to show you how SharpSpring can help you." So they have a piece of software, and they want me to take a look at their software. And they've sent this giant box with a beautiful present inside to get my attention and take a look at their software. Well, that part is mission accomplished, because this absolutely got my attention. So check this out, guys. With no further ado, I'm going to show you finally what's inside this box. And it's really something. So here it is. Let me line this up really well. You can't see it from that angle, but I'm going to bring it in real close. As you can see, this is a giant, it's a piece of glass or something, and then there's this artwork printed on it, and as you can see, right in the middle is my logo. And if I bring this up really close so you can see it better, you're gonna see what it is. Tell me when you recognize what that looks like. Can you see what it is, guys? I was not kidding when I said that this present was amazing. Yeah, look what they did. They made me, and they sent me a maze, a full wall-sized maze mounted underneath a dry erase board, and it's got my logo in the middle of it. And they know that I'm going to hang this on my wall and play with it a lot. And they're right. I totally will hang it on my wall. And that's why they included the dry erase marker. And as you can see, if I get close enough and I don't let the window blot it out, so at the very top here, you can find the entrance to the maze right there at the very top, and then the exit to the maze is right at the bottom underneath my logo. So I have not completed the maze yet. I've got kids that I'm going to set on that task, but it's dry erase, so they can do it over and over again. Or we can just, as Emily pointed out, there's no texture to it. It's just a piece of clear glass, so we can write notes on it or anything like that. So I say to SharpSpring, well done, SharpSpring, well done. This is an amazing marketing campaign. Again, I can't imagine the expense to create these kind of things and ship them out to everyone. But it's beautiful. They got my logo on there, and it's just amazing. So I had to share that with you guys. Isn't that cool? Isn't that a great idea? I'm somewhat blown away. There's a couple other things here in the envelope. Top 6 reasons to get a live demo of their software, and just a note that says hello from the team, and of course they're showing me what it is. It's a maze, and here's all the team at SharpSpring. So from Gilbert Studios to SharpSpring, I want to say thank you. Thank you for sending me this gift. It really is beautiful. It really is amazing. I will look at it. And guess what? I'm probably going to check out your software too, because it absolutely got my attention. And if it's something that will help my clients, help me help my clients, either one of those, then I'll definitely check it out. So I thought you guys would get a kick out of seeing what that is. And it was a good excuse to do a live video. So hopefully this time worked a little better. You can see me, you can hear me, and you were able to check out that cool gift that they sent me. So a couple quick announcements. It was my birthday yesterday. Thank you so much for your well wishes. As a gift for my birthday, I'm offering a few free things. First of all, my book. If you haven't grabbed a copy of my book yet, I could grab one right there to show you. I'm giving away a free copy of that. If you'd like that, just drop a note in the comments below. It says book, and I will send you a free copy of my book. This is an idea book, not a technical book. It's not how to build websites, but instead it's an idea book for business owners and entrepreneurs. Some things you should think about in regards to your website to see how you can make your website help you more in your business. So just drop the word book in the comments if you'd like me to send you a copy of that. I also want to tell you, I'm doing a webinar tomorrow with my speaking coach and mentor, Arvee Robinson, and I am so thrilled and honored to be doing this with her. She's an amazing coach, an amazing trainer. I've been working with her. I've known her for years and have been working under her tutelage very much for the last year, since January of last year. And she's been helping my business in so many ways. As you know, I enjoy speaking, and I don't have a problem speaking in public, but using her system and her methods in conjunction with my business is helping me reach so many more people. And it's literally transforming how I'm doing my business. Sorry about that. My dog Rusty is saying hello. So say hello to Rusty. Rusty, I'm on a video live. Keep it down. Okay, so free book, comment book if you'd like to get that. Webinar, if you'd like to get information on Arvee's webinar, drop the word webinar in the comments if you would, please. And I'll send you the link for that. So it's going to be great. It's called The Fear of Public, gosh, I should have been better prepared. Something about conquering the fear of public speaking, because public speaking is an amazing tool to enhance your business. Even if you don't think, oh, I'm not a public speaker, I don't really feel like that's something that I can do, I would still encourage you to check out this webinar, because the tools and the ideas that Arvee shares are amazing. And like I said, they're transforming my business in a way that I didn't even see coming. So I'm excited about that, and I'm so excited that she said yes. She put on this webinar a week or so ago, and I said, would you do that webinar just for my audience? Could we host that? Could I host that webinar for you? And you do that with my audience? And she said yes, and I was thrilled. So join us tomorrow for that. It's going to be at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It will be recorded, so I absolutely encourage you to do that. So note speaking webinar, and I'll send you the link for that. And just to give you one final bonus piece of information, another one of my mentors, Lofholm, is doing a free class that starts today at 4 p.m. Pacific time, and it's all about writing your sales close, a very important piece for any business owner, any entrepreneur. So I encourage you to check that out too. I also have a link for that as well. So let me know if you'd like Eric's webinar or Arvee's webinar on fear and public speaking, or on writing your sales close. I'd be happy to get you both of those resources. Really, really great stuff that can help you with your business. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for everyone who's watching me live and commenting. I appreciate that. I will put this video up on YouTube and a few other places. So if you see it there, would you please like it, share it, and comment, and all the other things that you should do on social media. So tell a friend, share this video, and thanks so much for joining me today. Rusty says hello and goodbye. And SharpSpring did a really great thing with this marketing campaign. So one more shout out to SharpSpring. Thank you so much for my new toy. It's amazing. Yeah, I did that. All right, guys. Have a great day today. Go out there and do your business and share your message and help some people. And thanks so much for letting me be a part of your life today. So I hope you have a great day, and I love you. Thanks so much. Thanks, Jane. And we'll see you soon. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Rusty says bye. Bye-bye now.